What's poppin', guys? It's Izzy and welcome back to my channel. Excuse the background, it's a little messy. I don't really care. I just got home, just got done eating. So yeah, if you couldn't tell by the title, today's video is gonna be different. It's not no more makeup. I mean, I still do makeup, but like for right now. I took a little break and now I'm back and better than ever. And yeah, so I bleached my hair yesterday just so it could get light enough to go blue. It's like ombre. It looks terrible down because it's like all over the place. That's why I have it up. But yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys the products that I'm gonna use today. And yeah, so I always use Ion colors to dye my hair. So yeah, I was gonna use Manic Panic, but I have a lot of hair. If you know me, if you felt my hair, I have a lot of hair. It took me like over 3 hours to just bleach all of it. And I didn't even bleach all of my hair. Like, it takes forever to do my hair. So, yeah, so I got 2 boxes of these. These are Ion Color Brilliance Brights, semi-permanent. And these are in the color Aqua. And the little theme, it's like really like how they have the little hair theme. I don't know so you can see what color. It's basically my hair is gonna be like this color, like my freaking piercing. But it's not gonna be that bright, and I know it is. I know it isn't, and I don't want it to be. I want it to be more on the darker side. That's why I didn't go as bright with this. So yeah, and then I'm using the Ion developer. This is in 30. I always use 30, but y'all will see that when I head to the bathroom. I'm gonna change my shirt real quick, take off my hoops, take out my earrings, and yeah, so I'll see you there. So now I'm going to be mixing my hair dye. I'm doing half and half, so half dye and half developer. Once my dye is all mixed, I'm going to be brushing my hair and parting it down the middle. So to apply the dye, I'm taking a small section and laying it flat on my hand and applying with the brush. So now that my hair is all covered, I made a mess. This is why you wear a shirt you don't care about. It's all over my arms, it's on my hands, it's on my wrists, it's just everywhere. I just washed out my hair and it's pretty blue. I don't know, you can't really tell on camera, but I can see it in the mirror. It's pretty blue. I had it sitting for an hour. And yeah, so I'm gonna blow dry it and then straighten it or curl it. I don't know yet. And I will see you guys once it's done. What's poppin', guys? I'm back and this is the end result of my hair. My hair's a little crazy right now, but that's okay. I really like this color. It's like blue and green and turquoise in some areas, and I really like it. Yeah, I'm glad that it's like so dark. I didn't want it like bright. But yeah, so this is the end result. I hope you guys like this video. Thanks for sticking through. If you like this video, if you like me, if I don't know, if you don't like me, give it a thumbs up with my blue thumb. Yeah, so give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'm gonna start putting out more videos for y'all. Comment down below some stuff you want to see. I will literally do anything. It's not just makeup or hair. If y'all want to see some challenges, let me know. I'm gonna start recording more and I'm gonna start getting this popping for y'all. So yeah, let me know. I hope you guys liked it and I'll see y'all later.